what are the threats when it comes to yung elections natin? Okay? So, looking at it when it comes to voters database, okay, so every voter who registered, all of their database, all of their information is there, okay? So when it comes to thinking, okay, can the elections now be rigged when it comes to, dahil na-compromise nga yung ating database, no? Now, it's one thing that we have to understand kung ano yung system na nagka-count ng votes and how it interrelates with the database and how it uses the database, okay? Because if it's, let's say, for example, it's not really tied into yung data na na-leak, when I'm saying hindi na tied, like for example, they only use that to register kung sino lang yung pwede mag-vote, then yung counting would have to be a different issue, okay? But say for example, it is also the same database that they use. Hindi natin alam, baka yun yung, that's how the IT department, the development team actually wanted to develop it. Sige, para mas madali, quote unquote, let's all use one database, okay? And sabihin na natin because na compromise nga siya and the proper security controls were not put in place. Like for example, if the right permissions are not put in place, that let's say for example, if I'm the hacker, what if let's say you miss, you are registered, and then what happens here is that I could actually put 3 entries of your name. Okay, so I actually don't have to hack the PCOS machine anymore. But if you vote, let's say you vote for candidate A, you already have 3 counts or something like that. Okay, so we don't know yet because they're not actually telling us, okay, how is actually the entire workflow when it comes to the vote countings. Okay, and at the same time the interrelation with the database and the counting system. Okay, so that is one issue that we could actually see. Okay, and that is based on my opinion na magiging problema yon if they're also banking on the database. Okay, so and they're saying that okay, they're not yet sure if the integrity of the database is intact or not. Well, the mere fact that it was already leaked and the mere fact that we understood that you're not securing it properly, you know, we could already have a distinct distinct understanding that it could be modified already.